Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and confirming iOS is current. This avoids compatibility quirks. Once done, decide where your image lives, photos, files, or the built-in gallery, and open that app. Make sure the photo is at least the phone's resolution. Low-res images will stretch. Now go to Settings and tap Wallpaper, or open the photo and tap the Share button, then use as wallpaper. This gets you straight into the editing interface to begin positioning and style choices. You'll now select the wallpaper style and refine the look. First, choose Still, Dynamic, or Live. If you want movement, pick Live and remember it only animates on the lock screen. Next, use Pinch to zoom and drag to crop and center the subject, and toggle Perspective Zoom to add subtle parallax. Make sure widgets and app icons won't obscure faces or important details. Finally, decide whether this applies to your home screen, lock screen, or both so your layout remains consistent across views. You finish by tapping Set and choosing Home, Lock, or both. Once applied, swipe between screens to preview how icons and widgets interact with the image. If something looks off, return to editing to fine-tune zoom or repositioning so the focal point stays visible. If a live photo won't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off and that you pressed firmly or long press the lock screen. If colors or scaling still misbehave, restart the phone and check for an iOS update to resolve remaining glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.